When the crew of the Modern Nomads visited the Burabay National Park north of Kazakhstan's capital Astana in February, we enjoyed the winter activities at minus 23 degrees Celsius. It was the introduction to the second most visited resort in Kazakhstan, which receives over 1.5 million tourists each year. We finished the episode like this.
Spring and summer will completely transform this place. There will be different things to see and other things to do. I'll see you then at exactly the same spot. Same spot, but in an entirely different place, as promised.
It is in the summer that one can clearly see why Kazakhstan designated this place as one of the 3 that need special treatment and development. An oasis of 7 big lakes nestled among the spectacular forested mountains teeming with life.
It is good for family and children tourism, for ecological tourism, for gambling, but also for active tourism like sports activities. We have an increasingly strong focus on ecotourism. That's why we have specially designated trails for ecotourists, so that there's minimum infrastructure. You can enjoy real wild forests and mountain hikes, so that no one can interfere and you can be in sync with nature.
Owing to its more than 300 species of vertebrae and more than 800 species of plants, Burabay National Park was included into the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves.
If you're not lucky to accidentally disturb the peace of an elk, roe deer, wild boar, wolf, Eurasian lynx, fox, ermine, weasel, marten or badger, you can visit farms with famous maral deer. Most visitors do not resist the temptation to hike to the high grounds above the lakes and enjoy spectacular views from special viewing platforms.
It's worth every drop of sweat, don't you think?
There's something for everyone's taste or need in Burabay, from enjoying simple pleasures in the nature to organizing a congress. The combination of pine forest and water is believed to heal lungs, and the first sanatorium was built in 1910. Now there are more than 10 medical institutions and more than 20 children's camps.
Очень много направлений. Если дикой природы, больше кардиологически, можно также приехать сюда, оставить машину, взять велосипеды. У нас по всей территории национального парка велодорожки, пешеходные дорожки есть. То есть можно кататься. Есть места для установления палаток, разведения костров. Это все присутствует.
Burabay's beauties are impressive, but none of them are unheard of. What is truly unique is a distinctly Kazakh historic context.
2 years ago, we've launched the archaeological works across this resort and 3 archaeological sites. Our archaeologists from the National Museum and from the government, and together with international archaeologists, identified and found a number of kurgans, basically historical burial and ritual sacrifice sites. Tourists coming to Kazakhstan, to Burabay, and they will be able to appreciate the ancient history of Burabay, because this resort has always been a very sacred place.
Kazakhs have always believed in the sanctity of this place. They still tell many stories and legends, giving Burabay its mystic aura.
Every stone here has a legend attached to it, and this particular one is supposed to be the throne of one of the most famous Kazakh Khans, Ablai Khan. And if you walk around it, a wish will come true for you.
Public-private partnership has been created to unearth more of the burial and sacrificial sites of the Saka civilization. On one of them, we find the historian who leads the scientific part of the project.
Есть исторический пласт казахских легенд. Да, скажем, вот этот памятник Абакай, этот памятник скифского периода. Это 2500 лет от наших дней, если считать. Это первое тысячелетие до нашей эры. Сюда приходили, просили высших сил, просили дух этой ханской дочери, чтобы они помогли им в жизни.
Wrapping up my second visit to Burabay, I planned for a bike ride and a dip in the lake, with one verdict I have not yet reached. Do I like this place more now or in winter time?